software name is GMedCare software. Let's start. There are many modules in this software. First OPD module, second IPD module, third pathology module, again radiology module, pharmacy module, operation module, and payroll module. This is our dashboard. Here you can see your all information, or you can say all software information, that is total OPD, total IPD, discharge patient, patient amount, total collection, total balance, and total receipt. There is also a total sample collection, sample rejection, sample receiving, total test printing. Let's start our first module. First module is OPD module. In OPD module, you can register your patient here. OPD prescription, you can doctor can prescribe the medicine, investigations, and all the information which will store in data and which will need it in OPD card. Third one is OPD order. You can order your service or billing according them. This is our OPD registration form. There is multi-hospital system. You can choose your hospital name, patient type, patient category, source, in which source the patient will know the information, reference doctor, marketing person. Here is some patient detail, which is name, age, mobile number, email address, state, city, pin code, address, remark, department, which departments doctor they can come for OPD, that is a cardiology, radiology, and cardiology, and neurology, etc. There is many types of tariff you can create here. I can create a hospital tariff. There is rate type, OPD normal, IPD normal, and many types of rate types you have to create here. Fee types, that is the normal fee type, emergency, night, private, and others. There is total amount, discount, extra, net, paid, creator, and creditor, and remark. The creditor which will show you have not pay any amount, or you have credit amount according to based on user. There is many payment acceptance module here, which is cash payment, check, card, e-wallet, and advance payment. This is our OPD order model, where we can order some service here and we can pay the bill. Next one is IPD module. In IPD module, IPD registration, nursing, which is based on the nurse and the doctor have to say that investigation, medicine, there is portion of nursing, order, billing, room status, and MRD status. This is our IPD registration form, where you can fill the patient information, the department and doctor information, and the room information. This is our IPD order form. This is our live patient, bill amount, discount amount, net amount, advance amount, paid amount, and payable amount. Pharmacy amount, pharmacy discount amount, pharmacy net amount, pharmacy paid amount, and pharmacy balance. Here you can see the all information and the all orders, all service which have been applied in this patient. This is our bill, the final bill. Next one is pathology module. In pathology module, You can collect sample here, receive sample, automatic. You can set an automatic sample collection and receiving here. Workload, we have provided many types of workload. That's it. That is test wise workload, patient wise workload, sample wise workload, group wise workload, and department wise workload. The group and department wise workload is said to be a biochemistry department, radiologic department. That is reporting. You can reporting system here, report dispatch. Multi-center facilities are also available in the software. Center billing, doctor billing. Modality arrive. In radiology module, you can say that the patient will arrive in reception, that is modality arrive, reporting and report dispatch. Another one is pharmacy module. In pharmacy module there is purchase order, grn return, retail sales, ipd opd sales, wholesale, sales return, item adjustment, stock transfer, issue indent, and stock transfer, expiry stock. Sorry. Again, one is payroll system. In this software, we can provide employee detail, employee attendance management system, employee salary slip, employee summary, and QR code print. And the last one is in the software, we can provide a MIS module. In this module, we can provide all types of reporting system in here. That is patient-wise workload, user-wise workload, handover collection, sampling collection, reporting collection, OPD collection, IPD collection, pharmacy collection, and all these types of report which is suitable for the software and which is required for the client. So thank you for watching this video. If you want the software, please contact us at the glabsoftware.info@gmail.com. We will reach you shortly. This is our software detail, or you can see the software. Let's log in. This is our dashboard.